Welcome aboard this beautiful 2022 Lagoon 42, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The 2022 Lagoon 42 catamaran is part of Lagoon's highly popular and widely regarded series of cruising catamarans. The 42 model continues to impress with its combination of sleek design, performance, comfort, and versatility. The Lagoon 42 features a modern, striking design with clean lines and ample volume. The exterior profile is sleek, with emphasis on functionality and style. Built using high-quality materials, the Lagoon 42 utilizes a composite construction with solid fiberglass hull. It also benefits from Lagoon's reputation for high-quality build and durability. Additionally, the Lagoon 42 is known for its excellent balance of performance and comfort and offers good maneuverability, especially under low-speed conditions or when docking. Maneuvering is straightforward thanks to twin engines with a tight turning radius. It's a catamaran that is easy to handle even by a small crew. The hull design and sail plan ensure decent performance under wind power, even in light breezes, and is built for efficient cruising and is stable in a wide range of sea conditions. This Lagoon 42 is a well-equipped owner's version that has many upgrades, making it perfect for extended cruising. The swim platform extends the usable space and has a teak deck that provides excellent traction and provides easy access to the water with a stainless steel boarding ladder. This boat also includes a custom designed and installed lithium and solar power system, with a very large solar array and lithium bank. Other upgrades include a Victron energy power system, Watermaker, Starlink, dive compressor, and many other upgrades. The boat's signature feature is its large, open cockpit with ample space for socializing, dining, or lounging, making it ideal for entertaining guests or relaxing in comfort. The Lagoon 42 excels in outdoor living spaces, offering a vast deck area. The cockpit is particularly large, with seating around a dining table and easy access to the swim platform. The cockpit is safe, secure, and comfortable while cruising and at anchor. The engines are easily accessed under deck hatches. The boat is well powered by two Yanmar 57 horsepower diesel engines. The engines and the engine spaces are clean and have been meticulously maintained. The dinghy davit system provides safe and easy deployment and recovery of the dinghy and securely stores the dinghy. The flybridge is another highlight, featuring a helm station, lounging area, and plenty of space. The helm seat is wide and comfortable with room for two, and there is excellent 360-degree visibility from the fully enclosed flybridge. The Lagoon 42 is well equipped with a wide range of powerful B&G electronics. At the helm is a 12-inch Zeus 3 chart plotter, two multi-function instruments, autopilot control, radar, and digital control panels for the Yanmar diesel engines. Control lines are led back to the cockpit to easily accessed and controlled Harken 2-speed electric winches on the cabin top. Access to the cabin top is by a beautiful stainless steel ladder. The spacious cabin top offers an amazing view and is the perfect place to relax on the sunbed and enjoy the sunset. The massive size of the 2,075 watts of solar panels on the custom heavy-duty stainless steel arch can be viewed from the cabin top. There is easy access to the mast and stack packs from the cabin top. The sail area is generous for a 42-footer, and the rig setup allows for easy handling, which is especially appreciated by short-handed sailors. It features a modern square-top mainsail. The walk-around deck features an open path from the helm to the side decks and easy access from the cockpit, making it exceptionally safe and easy to move from the aft of the boat forward on the wide side decks. Continuing forward is easy with stays that are positioned to not impede movement. The clear and open foredeck has easy access to the deck gear, bow seats, and sunbed cushions. Ground tackle includes a 85-pound Mantus anchor, Mantus swivel, and a Mantus chain hook, providing secure anchoring in a wide range of conditions. The vertical windlass is easily accessed, and the bow lockers provide storage for the anchor rod as well as excellent location for storing deck gear. The Cummins Onan 13.5 kilowatt generator is housed in the starboard side bow locker. Once inside, you are greeted with a bright and inviting interior, while the sizable salon is bathed in natural light. The interior offers a spacious salon with panoramic windows that provide excellent 360-degree visibility. It creates a bright, airy environment throughout the entire boat. High-end finishes and attention to detail are evident throughout, with plenty of storage, modern appliance, and well-designed spaces. The seating area is comfortable with a spacious settee around the central table, providing ample room for crew and guests to enjoy meals. To port is a large counter that has a built-in freezer and refrigerator. The large U-shaped galley is positioned to starboard and is designed for practicality and offers ample counter space. The galley features a stainless steel sink with an amazing view aft. There is a 3-burner stove, an oven, and abundant storage. Forward and to starboard is a functional navigation station with desk and electronics. The electronics include a B&G 12-inch chart plotter, VHF radio, fusion radio, and the Victron energy control panel. Next to the navigation station is the electrical circuit breaker panel that also includes the generator controls. Moving below into the starboard hull, we enter a spacious office that is perfect for a wide range of uses, from remote work to homeschool while cruising. Aft of the office is a spacious owner's cabin. The central island queen berth, with access on both sides, adds to the Lagoon 42's level of luxury and comfort. The cabin is well ventilated and features good storage solutions, including hanging lockers, drawers, and storage lockers. Forward is a spacious head with separate shower, electric toilet, and full vanity. The spacious walk-in shower is roomy and well equipped with beautiful fixtures and a folding plexiglass shower door. Heading over to the porthole, we enter the forward port cabin with a large berth with easy access to one side. There are excellent storage options, and there is an amazing view out the long hull windows. This space is equipped with a private head with electric toilet, vanity, and wet shower. Aft in the porthole is a spacious cabin with queen berth with access on both sides. Hatches and ports allow plentiful amounts of light to enter and provide an amazing view from the cabin. The cabin is well ventilated and features good storage solutions including hanging lockers, drawers, and storage lockers. This cabin is equipped with a private head with a separate shower, vanity, and electric toilet. The spacious walk-in shower is roomy and well equipped with beautiful fixtures and a folding plexiglass shower door. Bright, spacious cabins enable you to enjoy moments of privacy and rest. For owners or guests, these cabins are the perfect place to relax on anchor, at a dock, or on the way. The 2022 Lagoon 42 is a fantastic option for those seeking a reliable, comfortable, and versatile cruising catamaran. It's a perfect balance of luxury, performance, and functionality. To book your appointment to view this 2022 Lagoon 42, contact Little Yacht Sales.